It's a day in the life of DC.
Hi guys.
Subscribe and join the family.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is DC and you're watching The Life of DC. So in today's video, I'm actually making a meal. I want to give you guys an idea of what you can do for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, something special that's not that expensive for Valentine's Day. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make salmon. As my side, I use rice and I put vegetables on it, but you can, you know, substitute the side and put any sides that you would like. But it's a simple meal, very delicious, very healthy. And then also I went to Costco and got some hand-dipped strawberries as well as some flowers. So if you're looking for an option of what you can do that's very cost efficient if you don't have a lot of money, you can do all of this for less than $50. So keep watching if you're interested. And then I'm also going to include some clips and pictures of other places you can get flowers from, like Target and Kroger, just in case you don't have a Costco card. But you want something that if you don't have a lot of money, you can still make your partner or significant other feel special. And I'll put all the information in the description box below, including all your ingredients and instructions. So stay tuned if you're interested. Like I said, all the information will be in my description box below. If this was helpful, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The first thing you need obviously is salmon. So the salmon that I get is from Costco. So I paid, if it will focus, $20.34 for 2.91 pounds. So almost 3 pounds of salmon. I think that's a good deal. The next thing you're going to need is some rice, the rice of your choice. Yes, I use bag rice because it's very simple and easy. Then you're going to need the Blackened Seasoning. So just to tell you quickly what's in here, and of course I'll leave all the measurements in the description, but it is basically ground paprika, ground cayenne pepper, onion powder, salt, ground white pepper, black pepper, dry thyme, basil, and oregano. So it's easier to mix everything, pre-mix everything, and put it in an empty container. You could just name it Blackened Seasoning. That will make this recipe 10 times faster, 10 times easier for the future after you make it and decide that you like it. So I suggest putting it in an empty bottle. That makes it much simpler. Then we're gonna need some unsalted butter. We're gonna melt it, and we're going to use the unsalted butter just to spread on the salmon, just to make sure everything sticks. So you're going to need one of these utensils, a little brush, and you're going to need a measuring cup. All right, and then of course your skillet, and then your pot full of water for your rice. All right, so we're going to get started, guys. Okay, so we got the water on, start boiling. I'm going to turn my skillet on medium high. You need 1/4. You need 1/4 of the unsalted butter. So 1/4 is equal to 4 tablespoons. So that's 3, 4. That's 4 right there. So this is actually exactly the amount that we need of unsalted butter. So again, you're just gonna brush it on and make sure all the seasoning sticks. So we're just gonna take this off, and we're gonna put it in the microwave just to melt it. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay guys, so normally when I do this recipe, I actually like to season everything on a cookie sheet. It just makes it easier for me. So let me pull out my cookie sheet. So we have our cookie sheet, and I'm actually gonna put full on this cookie sheet. All right, so we have our melted unsalted butter, and like I said, you're just gonna use it to brush on the salmon and then add the ingredients to make sure everything sticks. So now I'm going to open the salmon, and I'm going to wash it off before adding it to the cookie sheet. So I'm actually gonna cut it and rinse it off and then put it in there, and I'll try to get nice amounts. sometimes it's flipped over. Some underneath. And just try to cut it in nice amounts that you would want to eat. Like that. So right now, this is what it looks like. I cut them up, put it on the cookie sheet. So now, I'm gonna add my rice to the water. Again, we have our melted, this is 1/4 of melted unsalted butter, which equals out to be 4 tablespoons. So, and then we have the seasoning already mixed up. So we're gonna take the brush, dip it in, you can see that, dip it in the butter. And we're going to brush it on the salmon. On the salmon. And sometimes I do the other side once it's already in the skillet. It kind of just depends. Make sure my skillet is not too hot to where it would cook so fast. So there's that. Again, now we're going to use the seasoning. Make sure you do a nice amount. Now it's going to look like you're using too much, but it's actually going to be the right amount. So if you want to get 2 dozen, that's way less than what you will pay for an extra florist, but they're good flowers. You can pick all red, different colors. And then I also insert some clips and pictures from other places who also sell roses at Target. And I'm sure they sell flowers, you know, at Kroger and Walmart. So I'll insert some pictures of those. I did see that at Target they had actually the long stem roses, which are really nice. So you can get some wine, some hand dipped strawberries, some flowers. You can get some candles, set them up really nice with your salmon that you made with whatever side you want to choose, and you can set it up really nice. I'm gonna insert some pictures of what you can do. You can do all of this less than $50, and that's including the salmon. You probably have sides at home, the flowers, and the hand dipped strawberries, all less than $50. Now if you want to get more strawberries or 2 dozen roses, it might hike it up a little bit, but it still be less than $100. So it's very affordable. Do something really nice, simple, that your partner will love. Like, comment, and subscribe.
It's a day in the life of DC.
Keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.